So in today's video, we will explore the different data types available in Power BI and understand the features of Power Query Editor interface. As you can see that I have already loaded my dataset into the Power BI report. So now I want to perform some transformation on my data. For that, I will go into Transform Data tab and I will choose Transform Data, which will quickly open Power Query Editor. As you can see that now my Power Query Editor is open. Now I want to change the data type of a column. So I have multiple options to choose from a data type. Some of the data types are decimal number, fixed decimal number, whole number, percentage, date, time, zone, duration, text, true, false and binary. You can choose any of the data type that you want. To change a column's data type, simply select the desired type from the drop-down menu. If needed, you can undo any changes by clicking X next to the step applied. Just like this, I changed the type, but now I want to change it. So I'll just simply change the data type. Since this data type was not suitable on this column, it showed me an error. So I'll just click on this X. And that's how I undo this step. If your data's columns names are in the first row, you can set them as header by selecting Use First Row as Header, this option right here. Another feature that Power Query gives us is that you can also remove columns by selecting the column and then simply choosing this option here. It will automatically delete the column, and you can do the same thing by selecting a row and then you can remove the row from here. Columns can also be split based on delimiters such as space, comma, semicolon or specific characters. For example, splitting a column based on a space delimiter will separate the text into two columns. You can also use the group by function to group data based on specified criteria. That's how you can use the group by option. Right now, my dataset does not need any group by feature, so I won't do it. There are also various transformations available, such as transposing the data, reversing rows, counting rows, replacing values and adding columns. That I will show you how to do in next of my videos. Right here in Apply Steps, you will see all the steps that you have applied while transforming the data. And if you don't like any step, you just simply have to choose this X and it will undo the step. By using the Power Query Editor, you can efficiently transform and clean your data before visualizing it in Power BI. Thank you for following this guide. See you in the next video.